everybody, we got another history video today, folks, and this time we're entering the Canadian National Engines, I've called, and we're going to make videos on this one, folks. And first one is actually more of an Illinois Central unit. That is EOS, but when you look at it, it's Illinois Central. It is Illinois Central 3110. So the engine was built in January of 1966. As a order number was 5697. It was built as an Illinois Central 3017, a GP40, before becoming Illinois Central 3110, which is a GP40/R unit. This was rebuilt, by the way. So, let's talk about the GP40. They were built between 65 and 71. 1,221 of these things were built. 3,000 horsepower, a V16 diesel locomotive. Now, obviously, from Illinois Central, they bought. There were 75 of these things that Illinois Central bought. So, it's an interesting engine nonetheless. And I believe as of right now, it is still running as we speak, which is something really cool. It's still pumping, it's still rolling. She's still alive, and she's ready to show off what she's made of. Anyway, folks, this is a short one, really, because nonetheless, there's not a lot of info to discuss with this one. But anyway, folks, if you guys did enjoy this one, please make sure to hit the like, hit the sub, and as always, we'll see you guys next time. Peace out, everybody.